Good day, and welcome to Currencies Direct Weekly Podcast for Monday, the 8th of June. After strengthening more than 4% last week, the Rand closed out a third consecutive week of gains. Currently trading at levels last seen mid-March, the local unit has taken full advantage of the improved risk environment. With appetite for risk assets growing, optimism for a V-shaped recovery has fueled Rand gains. Is this the start of a global recovery? Are the stars now beginning to line up for the Rand? We'll have to wait and see. The local unit's rally gained momentum on Thursday after European Central Bank President Christine Lagarde announced that the bank had increased its stimulus program by 600 million euros. The figure was well above market expectation, which supported emerging market currencies. The president also extended the bank's emergency bond purchasing program to June 2021. On Friday, better than anticipated US job numbers added speculation that we could see a swift global recovery. Forecasts were that the US would lose 8 million jobs in May, with the unemployment rate expected to hit 19.8%. However, Friday's release saw the US add 2.5 million jobs in May, with the unemployment rate now sitting at 13.3%. Despite the strong numbers, the US suffered its 10th consecutive day of losses, its longest losing streak since April 2011, as ongoing protests following the death of George Floyd continue to weigh the country down. Back home, the Rand's fairy tale run has seen the currency claw back more than 10% against the US dollar over the past month. It's not all sunshine and rainbows just yet, with local fundamentals still showing signs of cracks. After cutting the interest rate by a cumulative 275 basis points already this year to ease conditions for consumers and businesses, the SARB has continued purchasing South Africa's government bonds, with 10.2 billion in May, after purchasing bonds with 11.4 billion in April, responding to domestic financial market disturbances. Following the recent downgrades, year-to-date, South Africa's selling of bonds and equities by non-residents totals 2.2% of GDP. This week, much focus will be on US Fed Chair Jerome Powell. The Fed hold their monetary policy meeting this Wednesday, with Powell previously indicating his preference for interest rates not to go negative. Markets will keep a close eye on whether the optimistic Fed chair could announce further stimulus. That's it for this week's edition. If you'd like to chat about any of your currency requirements, please get in touch with us on 021-418-0105. For Currencies Direct Weekly Podcast, my name is Justin Ludovik.